Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you new here, I'm Liliana, and in today's video it's a modern neutral cake with a cone technique. So if you guys want to see how I made this, we'll keep on watching. This cake was a 6-inch cake and I stacked it like I normally would. So what I mean by that is that I did cake, buttercream. I did a crumb coat, pop it in a freezer for about 5 to 10 minutes, just that everything seals up, and then I can go ahead and do my second coat of buttercream and making sure that everything is nice and crisp. And then what I did is that I tinted my buttercream with a little bit of cocoa powder, and by doing that I got this beautiful tan color. And then I simply randomly put it at the bottom of my cake. And for this part, you don't want it to be perfect, so you want to go up down, however you're going about. Well, if you want like the clean edge, then yeah, just take your piping bag and then pipe like all the way around so that you have that perfect, like kind of like a rectangular all the way around. But I wasn't going for that look. I really wanted that uneven look. So yeah, so I piped it around it, and then I just smudged it a little bit, making sure that the buttercream is even. And then I used the cake comb, and I really like this particular one. So I just go around and around. What I have to say about it is that when you're scraping the buttercream off of your cake, just make sure, because we didn't do the complete cake, we just did a section of the cake. So these right here, because see, these are pointy, if you don't pay attention when you're going to scrape it off, you're actually going to scrape off the top also. It's going to create like little dots or lines, or just be careful with that. So just put it a little bit at an angle, so like that the top of your cake won't touch this, and then you're just going to go around it. Okay, if that makes sense. By the way, I really like these. They come in numerous shades and like styles, and they're really cool to work with. They need a little bit of practice, but once you get the hang of it, you're good to go, and you can do like really nice cakes, especially for wedding. So if you guys want to see where to purchase these, just go in my description box down below and I will link everything there. So that was for that, and I just finished a look with beautiful synthetic flowers on the side. I did like a cascade look to it, just simply piped a little bit of buttercream and then placed the flowers on top, you know, like I wanted them to look like. And then for the name, it comes from my store, so you can go ahead and look at that. I do all customs cake toppers. Yeah, so sometimes we keep thinking, you know, the cake toppers could be only at the top, but actually it's a new trend right now, so you could put the name on the front and it's just magnificent. So that is it, another beautiful cake. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell button so you get notified of all the videos that I put up. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.